Right now, the education sector is showing a sentiment score of plus 0.004 and a 24-hour momentum of plus 0.000, which might feel flat at first glance. However, the most striking detail is the emergence of 18 distinct semantic clusters. This suggests a nuanced conversation happening beneath the surface, potentially indicating shifting priorities or concerns within the education landscape. As you integrate our Sentiment API, you'll receive comprehensive insights that break down not just the overall sentiment, but also the underlying themes driving these discussions. Imagine leveraging this data to tailor your educational content strategies, honing in on specific topics that resonate with your audience based on real-time sentiment shifts. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.